Huh?
Wait a minute. What are you doing here? Makeup in school, huh? What are you laughing about?
Welcome to your nightmare. Here. And
He ruined my makeup.
no makeup in detention. You forgot something? Oh, you can go. Oh,
What about me?
just go.
What? Perfect eyebrows. Sell me a pencil.
A pencil for $100? Of course!
Much better.
Oh.
Parties tonight. My makeup. My nails. I can't go anywhere.
Oh, she is so sad, so rich.
What?
I can help you for the money.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey!
I got something that's yours.
My makeup! Just a dream. I hate this place. Idea. Huh? Oops. Perfect face powder. Thank you.
What?
I want to pee.
Oh, no, sit down.
I'm on my period.
Oh, ew. Okay, go, go, go!
Okay. What do I do with it? Huh? Makeup! I need to sneak it.
Something is wrong. Catch this! I knew it!
Let's go.
It's happening, I can't wait. It's happening, I can't think straight. Tonight will be the night, you and me under the moonlight. I put my makeup on
Yes? What? Let's go! Honey, I'll help! Hi!
Tonight is our night, tonight is our night, tonight is our night,
Go back to your seat! Tasty!
Uh-oh. May I go out?
Go, go, go!
I'm gonna help her.
Hey, you could use one thing.
Oh, lipstick. What in the world is going on here, boys? Get back to class. I'll take this one. Get lost. I'm sorry.
Who are you?
Oh, it's me. Look what I got. A masterpiece.
What have you done? I'm so bored. What is that?
Pop it. Oh.
It's not a game.
It fixes everything.
Wow.
Oh.
It's just like nail polish. Ready?
Okay, you are free to go.
We're free!
Something strange.
Finally free!
Detention!
Pretty good meal, huh?
And that means... Wow!
Oh, give me that!
Stop this immediately!
I hope this will make him calm.
Principal is my weapon.
What's going on? No junk food anymore!
What?
I'm going to confiscate it.
No!
I'm done.
This is just a puppet.
Okay, but I'm watching you.
What are we gonna do?
Don't worry. Eat this.
Jello! Oh yeah! Vegetables?
What do you want to eat?
I'd like a burger.
No burgers. See?
And what should I eat? Oh, sweets! What? Olives?
Hi, Roxy.
Hi, Ashley. Are you serious? Ew!
Yeah, look.
Wow, you're a genius! Rox, the principal! Oh no, close it quick!
Oh, healthy food. Nice. Bon appetit, girls.
Ashley, go to the board.
Okay. Yeah. What's the answer? Roxy, help me.
Answer for snacks.
How's this for snacks?
Ooh, not bad.
Thank you. I'm done.
Okay, sit down.
Special for you. And one more thing. Look. Voila.
What's that?
Achoo.
Oh, bless you.
Oh no!
Oh, not now.
Detention!
Hey, Roxy. Time to eat.
Yeah, totally!
Catch it. Yay! Woohoo! Yes!
Thank you.
Soda! What is this? Where's my Coke?
It worked.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Huh? What are you doing here?
Nothing.
And what are you hiding there? Stop! Show me your hands like that.
It's totally empty here.
Okay, but I'm watching you.
How did you do that?
Look.
Where's Ashley?
I hope there are some sweets here.
Oh, sweets! Principal, a disguise is required.
Whose locker is this?
It's mine.
Open it, please.
I think I'm in trouble.
about this one?
So,
Okay. Have a nice day.
thanks, Roxy. Sweets,